Unveiling the money tree idiom in English. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of the English language, one phrase at a time. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might have heard, the money tree. Stick around as we dig into the meaning behind this expression and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Get ready to branch out your English vocabulary. Let's start by breaking down the phrase, money tree. Literally, it's a compound noun, money, which we all know is the currency we use to buy things, and tree, a tall plant that has a wooden trunk and branches. But does it mean that there's an actual tree where money grows instead of leaves? We'll find that out in our next section. In English, we often use phrases figuratively, rather than literally. The money tree is a great example of this. Figuratively speaking, a money tree refers to an imaginary source of money that never runs out. It's often used in conversations to talk about financial expectations or the reality of where money comes from. Now, let's see how to use money tree in a sentence. 1. When someone assumes you can buy them expensive gifts all the time, you might say, I don't have a money tree in my backyard. 2. Or, when discussing the harsh realities of life, you could reflect, unfortunately, money doesn't grow on trees. These examples show that the phrase is often used to highlight the value of hard work and the fact that money is not easily acquired. Interestingly, the phrase, money tree, also appears in various cultural contexts. For instance, some people might refer to a lucky bamboo plant as a money tree in a more superstitious or hopeful sense, wishing for good fortune and prosperity. As an English learner, understanding idioms like money tree can add flair to your language skills. Remember, idioms often don't make sense literally and need to be interpreted in the context they're used. They are a key part of becoming fluent in English and understanding native speakers. We hope this exploration of the money tree has been enlightening and that you're feeling richer in knowledge. Remember, in the world of language learning, persistence is your real money tree. Keep watering your skills with practice, and soon, you'll be reaping the rewards. Until our next video, keep learning and stay curious.